Bro, how to sing a Chuttamalli song in the correct 90 degrees? This is very easy only. Oh guys, today I'm going to teach you one famous trending song in Instagram called Chuttamalli, and this song is from a movie called Devaraya, and I will teach you how to sing this Chuttamalli song in the correct 90 degrees. Okay? So guys, if you want to sing a song, first of all you need the mouth, because without the mouth you cannot sing a song. That's not point. So first you need the mouth to sing the Chuttamalli song in the correct 90 degrees. Okay? No ni 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 na no ni 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 na ni no ni ni na 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 enduko puttindi imonu vandi muchetta puttandi puttandi ni pichi puttandi ni peru pattandi vayamu oni kattandi gorinda pettandi Samike mukkalu kattandi Chuttamalli Chuttasani Chuttasami Chuttamalli Chuttasami Chuttasam Chuttamalli Chuttasami Chuttasami Chuttamalli Chuttasami nani ni no ni ni na ni 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 no 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 ni ni na na ni no ni ni na